any great truth only if it becomes your power while you are in the body. You will live based on them. See, ultimately, all spiritual teachings are just needed as a power when you leave the body. That's all. Why the spiritual truths, spiritual powers? When you leave the body, you should not be alone. You should not be in powerless space, powerless state. All the spiritual truths are for that only. Vedic tradition is nothing but a preparation to leave the body in a best way and needed assume next body till you achieve oneness with the cosmos.
Nityanandam. My name is Binoy and I work in Bangalore as a software engineer. So I have been attending the NDY program along with Shivoham in Bidadi with Paramahamsa Nityananda. So yesterday we did this completion process and after that a Shivoham meditation process. So during the completion, when I relived the past incidents, the small incidents that became an incompletion in me, I felt it getting relieved and a big expansion happening in me. And during the Shivoham process, it was just amazing. The whole body was vibrating and totally for half an hour, the body was vibrating and Swamiji was just amazing. So I just invite everyone to come and attend the Shivoham process. Thank you.
Having one of the largest Venkateswaras in North America, the temple performs monthly Tirukalyanam for Sri Ananda Venkateswara. Performing the Tirukalyanam periodically brings the divine energies to be present here on planet Earth. And by participating in the Tirukalyanam, we imbibe the quality of pure love of the divine, bringing beautiful relationships and auspiciousness in our lives.
What I feel is like the team lead process form it all your team and your family. So when you start choosing 11 to 21 people and you start completing with them and start telling your 4 images to them, and when they tell their 4 images to you, so when you get that feeling that when you're close to them, you feel that they are part of you and you are part of them. So you can start leading your team lead, and by that you can feel Advaita with your friends and family.
There are lots of people who get inspired just by seeing the way we are wearing the armbands. See, most of the time they all thought wearing Rudrakshas are all old, great people. They have nothing to do with the world. But when the first time when I saw Swamiji wearing the armbands and all that, I thought, oh wow, he looks really so nice. So that was the feeling with which I first started wearing it. But then I understood that yes, it is something which is much more beyond this. Then once Swamiji explained that whenever you wear Rudraksh in your hands, whenever you wear a Rudraksh mala, it is to constantly remind you the space of oneness which you have. So then, there are so many different types of deeper meanings in this. So what I feel is, when we follow everything based on the Kamika Agama, then we can make Advaita as a fashion statement to the whole world.
Before I coming to Gurukul, I was eating non-veg. I avoid be sensitive to all animals and avoid to think that everybody is part of me. After I come to Gurukul, I realized that and Swamiji used to speak in satsang, everything is part of me, and I realized that, and after that started to eat veg in Satvik way. After that I started to sensitive in all the animals and realized that everything is part of me.
Swamiji also told that when you bargain me for something, then you will neither get me nor you'll get what you bargained for. But when you bargain me for whatever it is, you will get me and whatever you bargained it for as well.
If you see in Mahabharata itself, just because Arjuna actually Krishna gave a choice whether he wants the Narayana Sena or him. But Arjuna, even if he knows that the Narayana Sena is immortal, they will not die, he chose Krishna for all that. Only Duryodhana chose all the Narayana Sena. But at the end, Arjuna is the one who won the whole game because he was holding to the Guru, he was holding to the Master, that's why he is able to win even the war.
Anything becomes power in you when you are in the body. Only that will be power for you when you leave the body also. That is why inner awakening in Varanasi, the land of living and leaving, the Shivoham experience which becomes your power when you are in the body, the oneness, cosmic oneness which becomes power when you are in the body, will be power even when you leave the body. As an incarnation in Shivoham experience, I transmit that very experience into you. Everyone who decided to have the experience of oneness in Shivoham, from now, prepare yourself by constantly putting your attention on oneness experience. By thinking, contemplating, empowering oneness experience. How? You are one with the whole. Prepare yourself before even you come to Varanasi by paying attention to oneness. So that becomes reality in you when you sit in the Shivoham process in Varanasi.